mushroom. I found a mushroom.
Yeah, that's cool looking. We gotta go soon. I gotta go to the bathroom.
Huh?
I have to pee.
Go pee. Slide it board. Slide it board. Yeah, that's drop it board.
Hmm?
Am I gonna hurt myself?
Don't hurt yourself, no. No, you're not allowed to hurt yourself. Boom. Big jump.
I found something.
What'd you find? Oh, you know what that is? That's a walnut.
Hey, walnut.
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 Wait, don't throw it. Let me see it.
No,
It must be a walnut tree.
Hey, my mom wants it.
Let me see the walnut, Giovanni.
Wow.
Don't do that again. See, you guys are tripping over the rocks you threw in. So don't throw them in there.
Jump off this. Ow. I'm not gonna drown this. My eyes.
Hey,
Ah.
careful.
Let me jump. Let me jump.
Not from there. It's not deep or anything.
Ow.
That's a boo-boo. Don't do it. Okay.
I hurt right there.
Yeah.
Watch out, guys.
Okay.
Oh no. I got a bigger step than yeah, you can see that? I broke one. Yeah. Hey! Here's a bigger guy now. Ah! Watch out. Ow! Hurt my leg with a stick. Woo!
Ugh. Don't go up there, please.
Why?
Because we don't
think there's a bear in here?
Yeah, we don't go up on that side. It's probably, well, we definitely have coyotes and, what are they called? Foxes? Yeah, and there's coyotes in this area. What does the fox say?
Down, 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 down. That's a bad guy one.
What'd you do? All right, it's time to go. Let's go get drinks. Look, Siren wants to go. He's crying. What's the matter, Siren? What do you smell? What, baby? Hmm?
He wants to go in the water.
No, he's sticking his nose up in the air. He's smelling something. And he's whining about it. So that means something.
Hi, guys. Hi, guys.
Don't throw that.
Hi, guys.
Hi. You're making mad, dog.
I got the gun one. Move.
far enough. Come back. Come on. I hear that. I'm up there on the hill. Yeah, I heard that too.
What is it?
Somebody's shooting a gun, I think. There it is again. Hopefully they're target shooting, target practicing. Alright, come on, boys. Let's go, seriously. We'll come back and play in the creek. I have to go to the bathroom.
We can pee over here.
No.
Look.
Somebody could be seeing me go to the bathroom, and I don't want that.
Look. Look up there.
Yeah, we're way down in the valley. I can see that. And look at that big hill.
Yeah. I think somebody's shooting up there.
There it goes again. Can't tell which hill it's coming from. Could be this one.
Watch out, dude!
Wait till he moves. Go ahead. There you go.
Oh no! Oh my God!
Watch your mouth.
Someone just try to get me. It's me! Can I get up there?
Yeah, you're up there. A little late to ask me. That's far enough, though. Let's go, because somebody was shooting up that way. That might be private property. And there's crazy people in this world. They shoot you just for smiling.
It's poison ivy! It's poison
Oh, you better get out of there, because poison ivy is a pain in the butt. It itches, it burns, it hurts. And then it itches more and more and more. Put that down, that's dirty. Ew. Oh, we found one litter bottle. There's not too much litter in here, so that's a good thing.
Let's find the crab, guys.
Somebody poisoned the water hole. Nice spot.
No crab!
It's kind of big.
Show it.
Oh boy, he's up on the rock. He's gonna. It's a big one. All right, we've been here for like 30 minutes. Can we move on now?
No. Not yet. We're done. The snake says never get in hurt. Oh, I got one snake. I got one snake. Come on, baby kid. We're having a water fight with the snake. Oh, I got a little baby snake.
I hope you're kidding.
I'm not. It's a real one. It went down in that hole.
Come on, Siren.
It
Oh,
went down that hole. It went down that hole.
I seen something. Don't go in there.
It went down
There's
that
probably more in there.
hole. Where's it going?
Come back here. It's moving. There it goes.
That where?
It's under that rock.
I want to see.
Don't-
See?
don't. See that little rock right there? It's right under there.
Right here.
You put your face
Nah.
down there.
Hey, come on! They're about to hit you. They're hitting you. Snakes hitting you. I climbed up here.
Yeah, like that did a lot of help.
Come on. Wait, let me in the trap. Water sticky first. Help me.
Science said leave it alone. Come on. Let's go before the mama snake comes out and gets us.
Hold on.
Come on, that's a baby one. That means there's more. This might be a snake pit.
Hurry, go. No. Start the game. Ah, I did it. Pause. You started with me. Like this.
You gonna throw that rock?
Okay, all right. Go. Mama's snake's not coming.
Alright. So everybody, thanks for watching. It's your YouTube video. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for
Subscribe.
watching.
Say push the button to subscribe for more summer fun.
Whoa, you see that?
Conte, what do you say when you end the video? They're putting this on YouTube.
Hold on. Wait. Found some metal back. I
Listen,
found metal
listen, give me that.
Found metal
Okay,
back.
I got the glass. Are you gonna tell everybody thanks for watching? So I can end. Here, I'm gonna push stop.
One more.
Well, thanks for watching, everybody.
Ah! Bang!